Hey everybody, welcome to the very first episode of the Isolation Open. और आज मेरे साथ हैं इंडियाज वन ऑफ द नेशनल प्लेयर अभिमन्यु गांधी, द क्यू बॉय। तो बिना देरी किए हुए सीधा उनके पास चलते हैं। लेट्स सी हाउ वाज ही इन दिस आइसोलेशन एंड इज ही प्लेइंग और नॉट। लेट्स फाइंड आउट। Hey everybody, here with me is one of India's national player, Mr. Abhimanyu Gandhi, and the Q boy I say. So, Abhimanyu, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, bro?
So how is this isolation thing treating you?
It's making me very lazy.
Very good.
There's nothing to
Any
do.
household activity which you are involved in or which is getting better in these days?
I'm playing volleyball and carom daily. So I think मैं लॉकडाउन के बाद carom nationals भी join कर सकता हूँ.
Second career option भी opt कर रहे हो.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great. So tell me, Abhimanyu, how you started playing snooker? What is that कि आपको लगा कि मुझे स्नूकर खेलना है या स्नूकर खेलना चाहिए?
मेरे डैड इज अ नेशनल स्नूकर प्लेयर. तो जब मैं 3-4 साल का था तब से ही हरीश गांधी, तब से ही उनके साथ मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ और तब से ही मुझे स्नूकर एक पैशन बन गया था देख देख के. तो आई स्टार्टेड एट अ वेरी अर्ली एज. मेरे घर पे टेबल था. आई स्टार्टेड प्रैक्टिसिंग. टूर्नामेंट्स में काफी लेट खेला, बट बचपन से यही करना था, फिर और कुछ आता भी नहीं.
So when did you started playing for your first tournament?
First tournament I played in 2004. It was a club tournament. नर्मदा क्लब में खेला था मैं जबलपुर में. So it was a club tournament and I won that. Then फिर वहाँ से और जोश आ गया. I played my first state in 2006 MP.
That's great. That's great. So let me tell you what the game is all about.
Yeah.
Okay. So as because कोई टूर्नामेंट नहीं चल रहा है, कहीं कोई प्रैक्टिसेस नहीं हो रही है, so आप भी बहुत ऐसे तड़प रहे होंगे कि मुझे कुछ खेलना है. So we thought कि हम हमारे स्टाइल में थोड़ा सा एक आइसोलेशन ओपन का मैच 1 स्टार्ट करते हैं. एंड द रूल्स आर एज फॉलोज. बेसिकली 15 रेड फ्रेम जो स्टैंडर्ड फ्रेम होता है मुझसे स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे. वी विल स्टार्ट इट बाय अ 10 रेड स्नूकर फ्रेम एंड हियर questions representing the balls, all the balls. So first half is of 10 red rapid fire questions, which is of 8 points each. So basically it is of 80 points is of first half. Then after there are 6 questions of respective 6 colors, yellow, green, brown, as we all know, and the points are respective by that. Okay. After that there is one question of 40 points, which is a tough one. So basically we have a 147 on total and on table. So let's see how far you can go.
Okay.
So all the questions are easy and some of the questions are very very easy and some of the questions are very 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 easy.
तो आज तो 147 लग जाएगी.
लग जाएगी, आज तो लग जाएगी. अभी तक ये फिर करियर ऑप्शंस में डालेंगे हम इसको.
हाँ.
तो हम डालेंगे like 147 मारा है एक बार तो. Let's start our first half. Okay. So question number 1. In year 2017, there is only one tournament in which you are runner-up.
In which I am a runner-up.
Yeah. What is the name of that tournament?
2017. 6 Red Maharashtra State Open.
Close. Khar Gymkhana.
हाँ, Khar Gymkhana 6 Red state selections. Yeah.
Chalo. So first ball has been potted and black has been given to Abhimanyu Gandhi. So 8 points for the first question. And Let's move on to second question. In which year you won the Gujarat State Snooker Championship?
For the first time.
Yeah.
Juniors I won 2009. Seniors I won 2011. 2011 I guess the senior state championship.
Close. थोड़ा और.
तुम जूनियर की बात कर रहे हो सीनियर की बात कर रहे हो?
I'm talking about seniors.
2010.
No.
यार इतना गलत कैसे हो सकता है? I think 2012 ही होगा फिर तो यार. 2015.
2015.
नहीं यार उसके पहले मैं काफी जीता हूँ स्टेट.
गुजरात स्टेट.
हाँ गुजरात स्टेट.
State snooker championship which you won in 2015.
And that was the last one. Then from 2017-16 I started playing for Maharashtra.
Okay. So कोई बात नहीं, मैं इसके points फिर भी दूंगा. As because we just started.
Okay.
Question number 3. In which year you have won your first title as winner and in which tournament?
Rexello Open, Western India, 2009, Mumbai.
2008.
2008, Islam Gymkhana. Yeah.
So 3 flags have been sung in by Abhimanyu Gandhi and
some vowel.
So let's move on to question number 4. Who was your opponent in the final of 2018 Navi Mumbai Open Snooker Championship?
In the finals, Nabil. Oh, sorry. Hassan. Nabil I played in semi-final. Hassan I played in the finals.
Yes. So, question number 5. In Casa Copenhagen 6 Red Snooker National Championship, you defeated a player by 4-0. Who was he?
And मुझे इतना opponents के नाम याद नहीं रहते ज़्यादातर.
Try. शायद उनका नाम अमन से शुरू होता हो.
अमन. भोपाल का प्लेयर है.
हाँ, अमन बांसोड़. Yeah. So move on to question number 6. It is about the Blackpot Snooker Club All India Open Snooker Tournament. And the question is, what was the highest break in that tournament and by which player?
Highest break was by नाम भूल गया मैं. दिल्ली के प्लेयर है, सीनियर प्लेयर है अपने, वीरेंद्र शर्मा.
Okay. Let's move on to question number 7. In 2012 at PYC Pune, Darrell's snooker coaching camp. Have you remember that?
Yeah.
There you made 5 continuous breaks.
Yeah.
Did you remember that break?
Yeah, I remember. I missed 147 on 112.
Yeah.
Then made 107. I remember that 147 which I missed. Baki 100 ke upar 107 and 105 I don't remember those.
Yeah, it is 105, 91, 92 and 66. I guess Abhimanyu Gandhi is not good with stats, but he is good with you on the table, right?
मैं करके भूल जाता हूँ.
सही है, अच्छा है, मतलब करके भूल जाना चाहिए. ग्रेट प्लेयर्स की निशानी है.
हाँ, पता नहीं.
So let's move on to question number 8. Mumbai Snooker League 2018. Recall that memories. They are great memories. 2018 was your great year.
Otters में था that Mumbai League. We were defending our title. And we were in the finals for the second time continuously. मेरा third Mumbai League था वो. I remember.
And 2018 was the great year for you.
Yeah. I won lots of tournaments in that year.
Okay. So question is, what was the score when you win the last frame of the tournament when you beat Marzi Screwwala?
It was a black ball decider.
Exactly.
I won on black ball. उन्होंने enough कर दिया था black pot करने के बाद. मैं तो था भी नहीं. So I think score was something around 86.
86-80.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. And you guys beat Radio Tigers by 3-1.
Yeah.
That's the great match, I guess. I say. I've seen that match.
So you were there?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so same tournament. First match score is 97-79. Okay. Who was the opponent?
First match, you were talking about the playoffs.
Yeah.
यार ये opponent वाले question मत पूछो मुझसे. I think Dombi वाली club.
Your first match in the same tournament, Mumbai Snooker League 2018.
अच्छा 2018.
Yeah.
2018 में हम लोग खेले थे CCI.
Your opponent, I guess, is Saurabh Mehrotra.
Saurabh Mehrotra. तुम तो बोल रहे थे यार बड़े इजी क्वेश्चन पूछोगे तुम.
लोगों को ज्यादातर opponents याद रहते हैं when they are playing against each other. They become friends and all that, so people remember each other. I must say.
I have a short-term memory.
So question number 10, first half ka last question. Question is, he was the first amateur Indian to make a 147 break in a national snooker championship. The very famous player of billiards also.
Jeet Sethi.
Exactly. So after the first round, scores are as follows. So let's move on to our second round.
Yeah.
Here is the yellow ball question for you.
Okay.
Now all the questions are of other players, not of yours. It is some snooker world trivia which are very famous world records made by some famous players.
Yeah.
Okay. So question number 11 for yellow ball for 2 points. Who made the official 147th 147? मतलब 147th time 147 break लगाया.
Wait. I think Judd Trump.
No. It is Gilbert, David Gilbert.
David Gilbert. अच्छा ये तो मुझे मालूम ही था कि ऐसा हो चुका है 147 बार पढ़ चुकी.
You have to work on your stats.
Totally.
Obviously, because next time we have to shoot lots of episodes, So that's why अच्छा रहना जरूरी. Yeah. So question number 12, green ball question for 3 points. There is only one ranking event held in India. What is the name of the tournament?
One ranking event?
Held in India. There is only one tournament which is held in India.
Indian Open.
Exactly. You're right. Green has been sent in. Now it is time for brown 4-point questions.
Okay. Yeah.
And the question is, in which year did the first ever Indian Open has been started?
2015.
So 2 साल पहले.
2014.
1 साल और.
2013.
Exactly.
Delhi. 2013 Delhi.
Yeah, and it is in between 14th to 18th October.
Yeah, and Ding Junhui won that.
Yeah, Ding Junhui won that. That's great. So, question number 14 for blue ball. Who won the 2019 Indian Open? The latest one.
No, I was not there. मैं कोई भी Indian Open देखा नहीं.
Matthew Sell.
Matthew Sell.
Yeah, he won the latest 2019 Indian Open. So as because there are no entries there, Jude is not there, Neil is not there. The famous players are not there. That's why.
काफी लोगों ने आना बंद कर दिया.
Okay, so let's move on to our pink ball question for 6 points. It is a true or false question. Okay. Pankaj Advani was the first player who won the World Snooker Championship at the age of 20. Is it true or false?
No, he was 15. This is false. He was 15 or 16.
Right, you're right, but he was 18 at that time.
Yeah, not 20. Yeah.
Okay, last question. It is a black ball question, and we'll make it an easy one for you. I guess this it is an easy one for you. So, black ball question: which player has nicknamed the son of Indian snooker?
पंकज अडवाणी.
There's one
सौरभ
more.
सौरभ कोठारी.
There is one more player. There is only one player who had tried in ranking events.
Son of Indian snooker. गीत सेठी.
आदित्य मेहता.
आदित्य मेहता को सन ऑफ इंडियन स्नूकर बुलाते हैं. अच्छा, मैंने सुना ही नहीं है कभी.
You got to check his wiki.
Okay.
Okay. After second round, the final score. Here comes the bonus question from our side, which is of 40 points.
Okay.
इस पे छक्का लगा सकते हो तुम. But it is a tough one, and I'll give you 3 hints for it if you didn't get it. Who holds the record for the fastest century break, and what is the time?
Ronnie O'Sullivan.
He made 147 fastest.
तो उसमें सेंचुरी तो भी आ गई.
No.
इससे फास्टेस्ट तो कौन है अपना? ड्रैगो.
Yes, you are right. He's Tony Drago, and he made it in
4 minutes something.
Yeah, close to 4 minutes. I'll give you that. It's 3 minutes 31 seconds. Finally, अभिमन्यु ने एक 40 पॉइंट का ब्रेक मारा. So clapping. So
पता नहीं मैं खराब रहूंगा इस सब में.
And you have to actually start following snookership posts also. I posted it.
Oh, okay. नहीं, I follow यार. I follow the page.
Okay. So finally, our game has come to an end, and you got your century break as always, but you didn't make 147.
As always, I missed this. Missed it again.
And there is one thing also. You are on top of the leaderboard right now.
Oh.
That's because you are the only player right now there.
No.
Well, I hope कि कोई आए जो ये record तोड़े.
No.
And
Yeah.
I'm guessing this. So, besides this game, tell me about the future plans as of now. What are you thinking in future, or what are the plans?
Yeah, I took a break from snooker for 2019. 2019, I played only 2 tournaments. But I think I played only 1 tournament. और फिर उसके बाद 2020 I started playing again. तो ये कोरोना वायरस आ गया.
2022 हम काउंट ही नहीं करेंगे. हिस्ट्री में कभी काउंट ही नहीं होगा. हर चीज स्टॉप है अभी.
तो that's the plan. I'll get back to practice to my basics. और मेरे घर पे टेबल है जबलपुर में. So I'll start practicing. Then I get back to the tournaments. I want to play tournaments as much as I can. I miss that.
Cool. And we hope that you win the national tournaments also.
Yeah, that's a dream. That's a dream I'm following.
So, जाने से पहले any advice to people, players, fans? The COVID is going on.
Keep playing, keep watching YouTube videos. You learn a lot from that. और इतना coaching जो नहीं ले पाते हैं वो YouTube पे देख के, and मैं भी काफी follow YouTube करके ही सीखा हूँ. डेल से कोचिंग बाद में ली, मेरे डैड ने सिखाया. तो they should keep practicing and keep practicing solo if you want to achieve something. Solo में ज़्यादातर क्या पूल पार्लर में जाके बैटिंग खेलते हैं, रमी हमी चल रही होती है, तो that's not good. So if you want to achieve something, you have to give solo practice a lot of time.
Yes, exactly. That's the advice we also want to give to the youth, that don't gamble and go in the clubs like that. Just go and focus on your game and try to make a career in Q Sports.
Yeah. और अब तो tournaments काफी होते हैं, तो enter the tournaments, you get match practice.
Tournament and play for it. Play for something good.
Yeah.
And in for this COVID-19, please everybody stay home, stay safe.
Stay safe. ज्यादा बाहर घूम, अभी काफी सिटीज खुल गई हैं, लोग बाहर घूमने लगे हैं, बट इट्स नॉट सेफ फॉर योर फैमिली. सो
तो जितना हो सके अवॉइड करें, बाहर ना निकलें जब तक को बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत ना हो. And we'll surely get back to the tables.
Yeah. Everyone is missing that. I'm missing that. But एक बार सब ठीक हो जाए, then only we can get back to.
We all are hoping that it will जल्दी ठीक हो जाए बस ये.
हाँ.
So finally, thank you so much Abhimanyu. Thank you so much viewers for coming on the show.
Thank you Snooker Ship.
So did you like the show?
I love it. मैं तो चाह रहा था क्वेश्चन और चलते रहे, मजा आ रहा था मुझे.
No, making it so good in stats actually.
हाँ, I'll study now. I'll study about snooker.
Finally. और yes, channel subscribe करना मत भूलना guys. We have lots of fun coming in.
Please subscribe. Hit the bell button.
Exactly. So this is me and Abhimanyu. Prem out.